Okay, YouTube, we're going to mount the carriage here. And on that right there, you got to kind of figure out how you want to mount it. Kind of wanted to mount it like this, like most people do, but as you can see, it hits right there, so that's not it. The two options would be to take the carriage off, mill that down, so this would clear that. Didn't want to do that. I guess the three options. Another one would be to mill that down, so it clear. Didn't want to do that. So I've decided to mount it on its side right here, and obviously it clears now. I do need to get it off there so when I go across here it doesn't rub. So my plan was I found some thin sheet metal just to use as a spacer, and use that right there, put it up here, and hit clear still. So I did have to fabricate a couple brackets to make this process work. Made an L bracket so I can mount underneath here, mount to the reader head, and then got another bracket here somewhere so we can mount this down there. So let's get started. Okay. Got my center punch here. I've already checked it's going to clear. Made a nice little hole there. So we're going to pre-drill, drill and tap. Okay, I forgot to mention that in that hole a 1032 socket caps head screw fits perfect. So we're going to go ahead and drill and tap that right there. Just so you know, I am drilling, I'm looking here, I'm above the gib. So. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to tap. just clean all that off there. And I'm going to go ahead and loosely put this bracket on here. So I don't have to fool with it. Alright. Okay, I got the bracket loosely mounted here. I'm going to slide it back and forth and everything. So, we're going to go ahead and mount this one end here. Like I said, we're going to use a 1032 screw here. Let's get a pound wrench that will fit it. Here we go. Just inserting my spacer over here. Okay, that side's mounted. So for the other side, I'm going to do kind of the same thing. Where's my spacer? Here's my little block here I got. I'm just going to mount it on the inside down here. And then I'll drill a hole down through here, and we'll drill and tap it and put another screw in there. So let's get that done there. tap this. Okay. On the bracket I made, I'm going to take this over to the mill. I think I'm just going to go ahead and just slot it so I can adjust it up and down. Alright, everybody's seen that before. I made the bracket here, slot bracket. We're going to mount it here. It's above the dovetail here, and it's above the gib. I'm going to basically mount it in here, and then we're going to mount that to there. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to punch this, center punch it. I'll drill and tap it. We need to tap it. Okay, mounting it up here now. And then okay. Now we're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to basically center punch, drill, and tap. Juice. What's up?
Think you can swap these for me a little bit more?
Swap them. What do you mean?
Slap?
Yeah. Why, do they need longer or wider?
The handlebars on her bike are a little bit shorter than mine. So the slot needs to be a little bit longer so they can come in farther.
Yeah. Put this in and let's do it. I got it actually set. That's what I've been doing. Is that aluminum?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Think it'll jack up this?
I don't know. If you put some cloth in between it or something.
Okay.
I don't think we'd have to tighten it that much.
Mm-mm.
How deep do you think we need to go?
About right here.
Okay. Just on those, on both sides, both of those were
both
up that
of
end.
these. Yep.
So 2 slots.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, we're mounting some 1032 screws with a number 10 washer on there. Okay. We now have to verify that this is running parallel and it's not off kilter. So I've got a dial indicator up here. I've already messed with it and got it in line, so it's going to show you what it looks like. So you can see it moves there just a little bit. So now we just got to get this. That's high. So this side here is a little high. Kind of got that snugged up. Let's see what that does. Okay, so we're good there now. Alright, so we're good there. So next we're going to take it and check it this way here, which should be good because it's up flush against the, up against there, but I'm going to check anyway. Let's see how you... Okay. You guys aren't going to be able to see this, so just take my word on it, I guess. Which it's good. Which I'd expect it to, because this is mounted straight against already a flat surface, so it's spot on. Next thing we're going to have to do is mount the chip guards on here to protect everything, so we'll get to that next. Okay, we'll hook this up and see how it works. Put this over here so you guys can see it. Let's see. Alright, let's get this up here so you guys can see it. Hopefully you can see it because of the glare. So let's see if this thing turns. Oh, I can't see it. Yep, it does. There's a lot of glare there. I mean, you have to turn out the sun and show you guys. So that seems to work pretty good. Okay. All right.